Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram keeps crashing on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and when you want to open your Instagram and facing any kind of issue related opening means Instagram not opening, not working or crashing problem, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not connected, then guys you need to connect any Wi-Fi. And guys, if you're using mobile data, then guys you need to turn on your mobile data, and guys after doing this you need to go back. Second is maybe this problem is in your network. So guys, simply you need to reset your network settings from here, and guys after doing this you need to go back. Third is you need to check VPN connection. So guys, if connected any kind of VPN, then guys you need to disconnect your VPN, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys, fourth is you need to update your app. Maybe this problem is due to update. So guys, simply when you search here Instagram in App Store, and guys you need to update your app from here, and guys after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all the methods, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to delete your app from iPhone, and guys after this you need to reinstall again, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.